I pushed it back in alright and it went down inside the transmission. Well, I'm out here working on the ramp truck in the dark. I need to zoom out. There we go. Anyways, got the carpet out, the seats out. Got a little bit of rust on the floor. Now it's getting water inside. Luckily it's just on this side. Somebody must have had problems with the cab mount once. There's the old 4-speed that's in it. It's going bye-bye. Got the cover off. Rather did this in the daylight, but gotta do what you can when you can. Be back on it tomorrow. Okay, the engine is ready to pull out. Chain on it. Everything's undone. Distributor's out. Here's the distributor. The rest of the parts. Guess I got one thing left to do, and that's take that off the cable. Bolts are out of the dry shaft. Still got 2 bolts under there, I guess, but I'm going to leave that in so it helps hold the transmission up. I'll put a jack underneath it. And the other thing that happens is you got a pin, supposed to be one on that side. Well, the shifter handle is always loose. Well, that pin on that side was sticking out, almost out, so I thought, well, I'll see if I can push it back in. I pushed it back in alright and it went down inside the transmission. So I guess I'll have to get that out of there once I get it out. I don't know if I ever use this transmission, but it doesn't need a pin laying in the bottom of it. Might cause some havoc inside the transmission, get that stuck in between a couple gears. I don't know if these transmissions have magnets in the bottom or not, probably not. But I need to undo that still. You're going to do it there. Do that here real quick. I can show you that I'm doing it while I can't do all this stuff at once. Hold this, do that. So I'll just do it and then show you. Now getting closer to getting it out. Oh, I'll zoom in. Don't look right, but everything's pretty much unhooked out here. Might pull the distributor out so it doesn't get messed up if it gets caught on anything. But power steering's loose, radiator's out. Floor mounts are unhooked, exhaust is unhooked, clutch is unhooked. Z-bar hanging. Put a chain on it out here. Another thing I forgot to mention that was messed up on it when I got it was these brackets for the sway bar. They were bent horribly. Somebody hooked a chain out there and yanked on it and bent the crap out of them, broke that off, put new bushings in it there. All 4 of them. I know I put a lower ball joint on that side. New brake hoses. I had to do that before I could even drive off with it. Everything else looked pretty good under here. Did put a new master cylinder on it because it was bad. Other than that, undo the belt housing bolts or the transmission bolts, and the dry shaft, speedometer cable, take that stick out. But I'll do that separate from the engine. There's the radiator, there's the exhaust. All 20 foot of it, or however long it is. Not using that again, it's too small pipe. Fine for small block, not for a big block. Starter, sugar cap, radiator mounts, shroud, fan, alternator air cleaner belts. Those are the old plug wires. Looking at the alternator, it's got green paint on it. Why it has green paint on it, I don't know, unless it was on a John Deere tractor or an Oliver tractor. Which is very possible. Hopefully I'll have it out here later if I can get somebody to help me take the hood off. Nobody showed up yet. I have to give the master a call, because he's the master of doing everything. Okay, got the reducer off for the speedometer. Well, I was just going to take it off the cable, but I figured I better take it off with the transmission too, because it probably ended up getting broke. Things are kind of hard to find. They're in good condition. And that one is good. So, pretty sure it was good. Yeah, it's turning. Spinner there, she's turning. I don't remember if the speedometer worked or not. Don't recall. But I guess that's it for today. Nobody showed up to help me pull the hood off. Get the motor out, so I'll put that back on so no animals end up in here and trash the interior. At least that would be my luck. Now it's time to pick up tools. And go back to watching the Big Ten preview for this year. If you're a subscriber, you're awesome, and don't forget to ring that notification bell.